Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit notifications in the Nike app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Nike app, and here it usually opens up in the shop menu, but we have to tap on the three lines in the top left corner. And from here we have to go into settings on the bottom of the list, and in settings we have to scroll down to the bottom of this list, and there is notifications. Here we tap on it, and here we can enable or disable the notifications that we want to have and receive from Nike. For example, we can have notifications from different shoe drops that may interest us, or articles and events and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.